Hi guys, in previous video I had taught you how to do the setting of face. You can check that video on my channel page. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the setting of ear. So let's start with our tutorial. I'm starting with 2B pencil for the base layer and blending it with the cotton and doing highlights with the small eraser. After that I'm using 3B pencil for detail and more darker shade and blending it with paper stump. And now I'm using 5B pencil for the darkest part in ear, the ear hole. And for shadow I'm using 4B and 5B pencil. I'm doing the base layer with 4B and blending it. After that I'm using 5B pencil for make it darker. Here's our ear is complete. In next video I will do the shading of neck. Okay guys, see you in the next video.